Guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can elevate your working flow by using this Docs Smart Create feature AI tools on the WPS Office. So in here, I've already opened the WPS Office and I already on the AI tools in here, WPS AI, and you'll see under the AI tools there is this Doc Smart Create where you can input a simple prompt and instantly start writing your AI with your AI writing assistant. So this is like an AI writing assistant that you can use to create something on the WPS Docs. So let's just click on try now in here. Okay, so you can this claim for free now, and here click on start using for free now. But if you want to pay for it, you can just buy the package or the subscription. Let's just wait, still creating the file. Okay, so first you can enter a question or choose a scene below to ask question. For example, here I'm going to just go with let's try creative story. Write a creative story about a girl in a beautiful village. I'm going to just go with that. Let's just click on enter, and now the WPS AI will start writing. And in here you can see once upon a time in a beautiful village, blah blah blah. You can see it will start writing so quick. Here it's still generating. If you want it to stop, you can click on stop. Okay, so you can see there will be this creative story. I think the AI tool is kind of good because they write so quick, and yeah, I think you can use this if you are have a writer's block, I think, to get some inspiration. If you want to change the prompt, you can click on change, or they will rewrite the story again. Let's click on stop. Here you can also click on adjustment to make it shorter, longer, or improve writing. Or you can also retain it or discard it. So that's all from me. That's how you can use the Doc Smart Create feature on the WPS Office. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.